I am going to show how we can find all the factors to a number. For example, 96. I'm going to find all the factors of 96. I'm going to use the division method. So I'm going to divide 96 by the lowest prime factor, and this is 2. 96 divided by 2 is 48. I'm going to continue to divide by 2. And there comes this stage where I am no longer able to divide by 2 to get a whole number. 3 divided by 2 is not a whole number, and 2 is not a factor of 3. The lowest prime factor of 3 is 3. So I divide by 3 to get a 1. This concludes our division process. Then I'm going to copy all these numbers and take them down because they are factors of 96. They're 1, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, and 96. Then I'm going to turn my attention to this set of numbers, and I take note that there is a 2 here, obviously. So 2 is a factor of 96. And my next factor is 2 times 2, which is 4. The next factor, 2 times 2 times 2, 8. And the next factor, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The next factor, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 32. And finally, my final factor will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And this gives me 96. But I had earlier included 96, so I don't have to include it again. But if you did not include 96 earlier, you will have to include 96 now. These are all my factors of 96. If you count them, there are 12 of them altogether. And if you observe them, you just note that there are only 2 prime factors, 3 and 2. 3 and 2 are the only prime factors of 96. 1 is not a prime number, so it is not a prime factor, although it is a factor. Altogether, there are 12 factors, including the number 96 itself, because every number is a factor of itself. 96 divided by 96 equals 1. Then I like to conclude by drawing curly brackets to put this set of numbers as a set. And so, thank you for watching.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.